Right, hi there guys, Sean Mac here from seanmacblog.com, and what I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about is restaurant websites with online food ordering. Now, we've actually got these all together and we're offering the websites for actual free. Now you might be thinking, okay, so he's going to try and stump us on the online ordering. We're not going to do that either. We've got the online ordering thing down to one-time payment. If you give us 5 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you through the whole website, because there's 3 to choose from. Very, very easy to manipulate and change however you like them to. They'll also come with free hosting as well, and through a site called Groove, which is huge, and it comes with built-in email. It comes in with all sorts of different stuff that you can use on here. So this is your first website. So as you can see, it's a lot of different pictures all put together really quite nicely, and obviously all looking cool. So we've got book a table here, which can then go into various different parts. Personally, I will put it through my chatbot, which I'm about to show you as well. The second website which you can choose from is a little pizza one, so you can do eat in or take away. Our food ordering app does both, so people can be sitting in your place and actually use the app to order while they're sitting at their table and you're behind the bar. So it means that if this COVID restriction does keep on going, it's not going to be a problem for you. Also with this outdoor bar opening thing in the UK that's coming very shortly, you can also use it for that. Now this little feature as well that we're going to have built in, which you can scan the QR code. So this website, again, completely free. You're going to have all the different pages, and it's just a nice little look about it. It's more of a simple sort of website. And so you can have your menu in there, or you can click view full menu, which is then going to take you back to the chatbot that's going to do the food ordering for you. So that's the 3 websites, right? So as you can see, very, very easy to manipulate, very easy to work, and nice looking, clean, crisp, modern websites, which I know there are some websites out there that are absolutely terrible. Now, the important part about all this is, what we've actually been doing is we've been working on a little food ordering app. Now, this is going to look a little bit strange for you at first, but please bear with us because there's an awful lot of other features that we're putting here. Because what we've decided to do, I used to be in the restaurant industry myself, I used to own pubs and whatnot, and what I decided was to really put everything that I had learned through that time into building this right now. Obviously, it's a food ordering app, right? So it'll order food, either take away or eat in. So that's just the same as what a lot of other people will do. So that's all cool. It'll also take, there's up to 9 different payment methods, payment platforms I should say. Now the payment platforms means that this can be used worldwide as well. It's got all the world currencies in there, so that's all good. You haven't got a problem with the world currencies. It's very, very easy to build, and you can give access straight to this. So it's through a web address. So with that web address, you can either use the QR code, you can use a link on your pages, you can use a link on your Facebook, on your Instagram, or anywhere else, which will all take them to the takeaway thing. Now the QR code, I would strongly suggest using that on your delivery stuff and your receipt, so that when people's been eating with you first, they can take a little scan of that QR code and just straight back to your takeaway again. Now, as well as that, what else it will do is 24 hours after they've eaten, after they've placed an order and eaten and whatever else, then this will actually send them a request, if you want them to leave a review for your restaurant. Now that's going to mean you're going to get a lot higher review statistics for your restaurant, and it'll only let the good ones through. So if it's a bad review, so say if it's 1 to 3 or however you set it, then you'll get a message saying this person has just left you 3 stars. And then you can go and deal with that if you want to. Now, if they left 4 or 5 stars, always keep some 4s in there because it never looks quite right if everything's a 5. If they've got 4 or 5 stars, then we'll say, would you mind leaving a review for us? And then you can send them to whichever website you want them to go to leave your review. So you'll just put your little short link code in there, and you can send them to Facebook, you can send them to Yelp, you can send them to Google, you can send them anywhere where you want. And this is another advantage that we're going to come up to very shortly. Now, we've also got SMS integration in here as well, which that means that you can send out SMS messages. So say, for example, if you're having a quiet night, you can send out an SMS message to various people and get your night filled up. You can also use this if you are going to be doing a takeaway service for perhaps people driving home on a night time. You can text them at 4:30 and say, right, okay, I know you're finishing at 5:30. Would you like your meal ready for you? And wait, just pull it outside and we'll pop straight out with it. You've already got payment for it. You are increasing your turnover. Right, so very, very easy to build. It's all drag and drop. It's very, very simple. And I've actually put together a complete free membership site for you guys as well. So you can go to the free membership site, you can learn all of this yourself without a problem. Now we can build a fire, but to be honest, it's pointless. You might as well just do it yourself, to be perfectly honest, but it's completely up to you. Right, so you can do integrated reviews, take it out and eat away. You get full back-end control. So you're going to get all the messages through on your Facebook page, which means that you don't have to trust your staff, if you don't want to let them into the whole software. So it'll all come through your Facebook page and the order will be there. And from inside your software, you can then send the people a message when their food's coming, how long it is, and anything else. So there's also all the different subsidiaries. Right, so we've also got, this is what else it does. So just like table service, it'll do drinks, do messenger marketing, it'll do reviews, and access to VIP membership. Right, now then, the actual price of this is $87. That's a one-time price. You don't have to pay anything else after that. Or you can break it up to $25 per month. Now I'm in the UK, I'm just using dollars because it's easier for everybody. Now this is some of the people that you can use, so it's Stripe, Molly, Paystack, Razorpay, PayPal, and all the rest. This is how it stacks up against the likes of Gloria Food, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Just Eat. So it's got an awful lot more features than them. And this is the actual website that you'll be getting for free. All right. Now there is an upgrade to the website if you want to get that. Again, that's completely up to yourself. You don't need to. But if you want to upgrade it, then that's not a problem. Right, so actually inside of the chatbot, what you're actually going to get, right, now this is, I'm saying chatbot, this is also where your food ordering is as well, right? So first off, if we go into e-commerce store, then this e-commerce store is actually your food ordering app, right? So we give them a little shortcut on where I want this food ordering app, and then it's all done. As you can see, you've got your store settings, checkout settings, appearance settings, business hours, categories, attributes, products, visit the store, so that's obviously where you'd send them directly to if you want to, delivery points, so if you want people to collect them, QR codes, we can have QR codes for starters, we can have them for mains, we can have them for all the rest, and instead of having those little paper menus that look terrible, you can just put a little QR code on your table and it's done. You can also offer coupons, you can do signed up customers, which means that they put in their details once, and after that they never have to put the details again, it'll all be taken care of. You've got your orders, you've got your copy URL, you've got your order status notifications, you've got your confirmation reminder, and you've got your reminder reports, right? So it's got all of this in. Now you can also track how much food you've got left. So if you've only got 12 steaks that particular night, you can put your inventory down to 12, and once you reach that 12, the steaks will come off, so they can't order another steak. So that's all good. Right, so you've got all of this sort of thing. Now that's pretty common, that's what a lot of other people have as well. Now what we have as well as that, all right, so we've got the website, we've got the food ordering. We also have complete Facebook integration. Now this means that you can have your Facebook Messenger all going, right? So that's like messenger marketing. So it means when somebody interacts with your business, then they're going to get a message straight back. Now we also can do comment automation. Now this is where you put a picture of some of your food up and it looks awesome and a load of people comment back. So this will then go out and it'll reply to their comment. Now this is important because what it'll do, it'll engage Facebook and it'll make your post look like a shining star on Facebook, which is very important. Facebook will then share your post with more people like that first person and it will go viral, right? Very, very simple. Now another thing, if you do use Facebook Messenger marketing or anything like that, if you do use Facebook marketing, you can direct them straight to the Messenger and your marketing works out cheaper as well. You'll get a lot more bang for your buck and you're collecting in leads at the same time. Now I've also got Instagram automation, so all your Instagram can all be automated. You don't need to sit and slave over your Instagram. As I say, you've got your e-commerce store, you've got SMS marketing and you've got email marketing. So both of these will all go together. You've also got, now this one's oncoming at the moment, which is the GMB, which is your Google rankings and everything to do with Google Your Business. So this is whole reputation management inside of here. So you've got everything that you're ever going to need inside of your one piece of software. Now, like I say, it's only a one-time fee. We're not charging monthly fees. We will have to very shortly, but at the moment we're not charging monthly fees. So if you want it, guys, it's all there for you. The web address itself is chatammo.com, and it's got an absolute load of stuff in. It's just /restaurants for the restaurants. This is what the back end all fully looks like. It shows you a little bit of some of the stuff that we've got in there. but it is only some of the stuff. This is the full list of the stuff. So there is actually an affiliate program as well, so you can go out and sell it too and make money off that as well. And there's your full training fire and your affiliate program, right? So it's all there for you guys if you want to go and have a look at it, and that would be awesome. I would love to hear what your thoughts are about it. If you could though, it would be great if I can get a thumbs up, because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and the Facebook algorithm and all the rest of it. If you want to leave a comment, that's even better. And if you'd like to subscribe, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting an awful lot of these videos up thick and fast, so that it's going to help you get to where you want to be with your market and actually help you become a success within it, right? So thanks very much and speak soon. Cheers, bye.